Do you ever have that feeling of being watched? Every day. Welcome to the Eclectic Thrifter and Crafter, where we thrift and craft with purpose. It's Tea Tuesday. Or in my world, Crafty Tuesday. Pour yourself a cup of tea and we'll have a little repair today. Today we're going to use my favorite product, epoxy clay, to repair this vintage Empress porcelain kitten. Remember, whenever using any type of epoxy clay, use equal amounts from each jar. Mix it thoroughly for about 5 minutes. I'm going to use a little screw in the hole where his tail was broken off, and it's going to give the epoxy clay something to hang on to. Very easy. I am not sponsored by any products I share on this channel. See, it'll get a good grab. Just wrap it around and start shaping your tail. You might be replacing a leg or an arm or a tail. And if you're talented, you could even replace the head. I'm not sure I'm that talented. Once you have finalized your shape, allow the epoxy clay to rest for 24 hours. You can buy emery boards in bulk on Amazon or from any beauty store. They come very handy in the craft room. My favorite color mediums to use for repairs is nail polish and watercolors. Today I'm going to use nail polish. Just as painting, you're going to start from light to dark. The base color on this porcelain figurine is green. I purchased these kittens this winter at a Missions thrift store. They had been part of a homemade project, probably for a mother or grandmother. Someone had put 2 coffee cans together, and my guess is he's about 30 years old. Probably, maybe the project was even older than that. But they had glued 2 coffee cans together, then glued the mother and the 2 kittens on top. Then the coffee cans were covered with plaster to make it look like a log. I discovered how the project was constructed when I accidentally pulled one of the kittens off, wondering how loose they were. They were just glued to it, so I was able to tap with a hammer and get all the plaster free, freed the cats, but then I had these chunks of plaster on their feet with glue, so I just sat the feet in boiling water. It released the figurine's feet from the plaster and the glue. The next coat will be a darker shade of green mixed with clear. That will make a nice undercoat before we apply the black. I do enjoy rescues and repairs. If you are going to resell an item that you have repaired, make sure that on eBay in the condition section you identify that it has been modified by the seller. It is very important to be very open about that. A set of 2 of these kittens can resell for roughly around $28. It is the complete set of 3 in good condition that resells for around $55. I'm going to keep this set, and it's going to complete my kitty shelf. We have easy cleanup using little candy papers. Our rescue mission is nearly complete. It's looking pretty good. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe. Share my thrifting and crafting channel with your thrifting and crafting friends and help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. I welcome your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Check us out on Instagram and tap that notification button for upcoming announcements of thrifts and crafts. But most of all, have a lovely, lovely day.